Welcome to Vansah! In this video, you'll learn how to set up Vansah's Jira Workflow Validator. We'll show you how to configure a workflow transition to use specific Vansah fields such as test status and test coverage. Let's get started. Start by selecting Vansah from your Jira Apps menu. Next, click the Configure button to begin customizing your Vansah test management settings. Find Jira Workflow Validator support and enable it. When you turn this option on, Vansah automatically creates all the necessary custom fields in your Jira workspace. Once enabled, you'll need to add the required Vansah custom fields to your Jira screens. You can click on the field to open Jira's custom field management to associate it to the required screen. From the custom field, select its menu to access additional settings. Now, you will need to select Associate to Screens from the Custom Field menu. Repeat this process for all other enabled Vansah fields. Select the screens to associate to. Finally, click Update to save your settings. Repeat this process for all enabled Vansah custom fields. Now it's time to add your validation rules to a workflow transition. This allows you to enforce a workflow rule criteria to the enabled Vansah fields. Let's get started. Select Edit to open the Workflow Designer. Click the transition you want to configure, for example, moving to Done, and then go to the Rules tab and click on Add. Under the Rules type, choose Validate Details. Now, select Validate a field to specify the criteria for this workflow step. Now click Select to confirm. Next, open Validate that field selection menu and choose Matches Regular Expression. In this example, we will use Vansah TR status. Select this field. Click the expression input and enter your regular expression. In our example, we are validating that test result status is either passed or passed in progress. Click Add to save and activate this validation rule for the workflow transition. Now your workflow validation is complete. This setup ensures that a work item can only move forward when the overall test result of test cases linked to your Jira work item is passed or passed in progress. If you include other fields like test coverage, you can also ensure that the overall coverage meets your requirements, such as 80 to 100% pass rate. Of course, these are just examples. You can customize the process to match how your team works. And that's it. You've successfully configured Vansah's Jira Workflow Validator. Thanks for watching.